Registering your industrial design in India is the most efficient way to secure exclusive rights over the external and aesthetic aspect of your products, thereby stopping third parties from copying them. First, let's make as clear as possible what can be protected through a design right, since there can sometimes be some confusion as to what design rights apply to. A design right protects the shape, surface pattern, color, or a combination of these elements of a product. It can only protect such features of a product when they are new and original, visible to the eye, not merely a mechanical device, as industrial designs protect the aesthetics, not the technical effect, which are best protected with patents, and applicable through an industrial process, meaning that it does not apply to handcrafted, unique objects which are not reproduced industrially. In India, designs are only protected if they are registered with the Indian Patent Office. As always, it is important to remember that registered IP rights are territorial in nature. Design rights are only enforceable in the territories in which they have been registered. If you are planning on manufacturing or commercializing a product in India and wish to ensure that your design cannot be copied by third parties in the country, registration is the way to go. Unlike trademarks and patents, there is only one way to register your design rights in India, and that is by registering an application directly with the Indian Patent Office. Note that foreign businesses must be represented by an Indian agent for this. Here is the list of documents which you must include in your application. As mentioned earlier, a design must be new in order to be registered and protected. This is true in India and abroad. However, this also means that for all practical effects, you must make sure that you register your design application in India no more than 6 months after having filed an application for this same design in another country. Once the application has been filed, it will be reviewed by the examiner, who will issue an examination report. If this report includes elements supporting the rejection of the application, the applicant must respond within 6 months with counter-arguments. If there is no objection or the objection has been resolved, the design right is registered and published in the Patent Office Journal. The design registration procedure generally takes around 12 months from the date of filing, provided that no objection has been filed. The registration is valid for a period of 10 years, renewable once for an additional period of 5 years. Note that you will have to pay maintenance fees in order to keep your registered design on the register in India. We hope this short video was informative. We encourage you to visit our website and have a look through our publications for more information. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us through our free of charge helpline service. We will be glad to answer any questions you may have.